Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2014 Infiniti Q50 Premium all-wheel drive with navigation package that we have for sale. We took this one in on trade. Some of our nicest premium vehicles coming on trade, and this Q50 is no exception. Beautiful color combination in silver on black. It's a very nicely equipped vehicle, and you can buy it with confidence knowing it has been serviced and checked by our Infiniti certified techs who work on these vehicles on a daily basis. In fact, who better to buy a pre-owned Infiniti from than a new Infiniti store like us? And it is backed by a 5-day 100% money back guarantee, power and heated front seats, heated steering wheel. You have a drive mode selector here to tailor transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, traction and stability control settings for the different types of driving situations. The Q50 was actually one of the first vehicles of its kind to have a dual display system. The top screen is for the navigation system, the rear parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. 7-speed automatic transmission of adaptive shift control. Adaptive shift control momentarily holds the car in gear for better acceleration out of a turn, a corner, or when accelerating up a hill. You can also put it in manual shift mode. You pull it back and to the left, and you can push up for upshifts and back for downshifts. And the Q50 provides rev match downshifts for a sportier sound and feel. Automatic dimming mirror of universal garage door opener. The steering wheel tilts and telescopes. For you music lovers, this has a Bose Performance Series audio system. It sounds amazing, and it has HD radio, giving you near digital quality free music over the FM radio network. A lot of stations have multiple HD stations, like one of my favorite stations, K&KX. They have their main station, and then they also have a 24-hour jazz station. And whether you like different types of music, there's all sorts of stations available for us in this area. This looks great in silver. The Q50 is built on the advanced front midship platform. The reason why they call it the advanced front midship platform is they take the engine and they place it behind, as far behind the front axle as possible. The reason why they want to do that is that they want to move the center of the gravity towards the middle of the vehicle. By doing that, that just enhances the weight distribution, and it can rotate on its axis, and it improves the handling through the corners. It shares its advanced front midship platform with the Nissan 370Z. So being built on a sports car platform, you're going to have great performance. It has a powerful 328 horsepower V6. It also has an intelligent all-wheel drive system. You can get the Q50 with either rear-wheel drive or intelligent all-wheel drive. That rear-wheel drive platform also enhances performance. Why do they have intelligent all-wheel drive? Well, the way it works is that when all-wheel drive is not needed, it will send 100% of the power to the rear wheels. The reason why they do that, if the all-wheel drive system is constantly working all the time, it's going to chew through your tires a little bit faster. It's going to decrease the gas mileage. And it also is going to take away a little bit from the performance by having 100% rear-wheel drive that gives it the feel of a rear-wheel drive sports car. Now obviously in conditions like this, you really don't need all-wheel drive, so it's 100% rear under normal driving situations, but as soon as those rear wheels slip, in a matter of milliseconds, almost instantly, you can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels. They also can split it from left to right. One of the most advanced front all-wheel drive systems you can get in the market. They've been making this Tesla all-wheel drive system for a very long time. We first saw it come to the US market in the 2003 Infiniti FX series, the FX35 and FX45, and they've made improvements over the years, but it's a very proven system, and obviously it's 2019. They've been making this all-wheel drive system since 2003. I can tell you they've probably worked a lot of the kinks out. And the heart of the Q50 is this award-winning VQ37 engine. It has maintenance-free timing chains, so you never need to worry about the cost replacement of timing belts. Those timing chains are designed to last the service life of the engine, about 300,000 miles. Just a testament to the build quality and durability of the Infiniti product. And I can tell you, these engines go 300,000 miles. We actually have a Nissan Altima we took in on trade. It has 330,000 miles, and it has a variation of this VQ series engine. Still running very good. The rest of the car isn't too good, but the engine is still running strong. I actually might do a little video about that later, about the durability of the VQ35, and use that Ultima as an example. Thank you so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.